Good morning. So today is June 5th. I haven't done a vlog or any type of video in a little while. Not doing much today. I am going on to night shifts later on tonight, but I think today I'm going to run a few errands and I think I'm going to touch up my hair. I've been dyeing it red lately. It's kind of just washing out. So I think I'm going to do that today. I really want to film that because surprisingly my last hair dye video has like over 100,000 views. Like, I don't get what's so entertaining about it, but people are watching it. So I think I'll do another hair dyeing video today. And you can obviously see my skin is doing so bad right now. Like, I don't know why it's like right here, but yeah, so keep your comments to yourself. I don't know. I really don't care showing my acne on YouTube. I could really care less. Everyone has it. Everyone has those bad days. Everybody makes mistakes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. Everybody gets that way.
Yeah!
Okay, so I just washed my hair. I just did shampoo. I did not do conditioner yet because I'm going to use this. It is the Evo Fabuloso Purple Red Color Intensifying Conditioner. And it's pretty much like exactly what it says, conditioner. I just go and then I just put it in my ends where you guys can see where the color takes, so pretty much here down, and then I only leave it on for like 10 minutes. It says wash and towel dry hair, wear gloves. Nah. Spread 4 to 5 pumps with comb or fingers, wait 3 minutes, then rinse until water runs clear. Use weekly. Yeah, I use it about weekly. Don't exceed 20 minutes. So that's why I normally do about 10 minutes, and it lasts me about a good like week and a bit of nice color. So let's go do that. Ugh. Okay, so I just kind of bring my head forward. Oh my god, this is the funniest thing ever. Okay, I use the conditioner. Yeah, that's about normally what I do. Do this. My hands are normally so red at the end of this that it looks like I committed murder. Okay, boom. Okay, so after I spin it into a bun, I just use these like little alligator clips or whatever they're called. So I'm gonna leave that in for about 10-15 minutes. Just let it sit and dye itself. But yeah, I will check in about 10-15 minutes. So I just washed my hair out. I just run it under cold water. I don't do like freezing cold water, and I don't do like anything hot. You can kind of see already how red it is, but eventually when it dries and maybe if I style it, it'll be more vibrant. So right after, I just towel dry it just to get all the excess water off of it, and then I normally air dry my hair all the time anyways, so I'm just gonna pat it dry and then let it air dry for the day and then style it later. See, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, bye. Last time I was recording, Connor came home and scared the shit out of me. And I hate recording in front of other people. I'm back from errands. This is my hair air dried, so my hair is quite poofy right now. But as you can see, it's actually quite vibrant for dyeing over dark hair. So it just took to the old brownish color I had underneath. But I really like playing around with color, because I mean, at the end of the day, you can always chop it off, dye over it, it washes out, no biggie, you know, and it's fun. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna leave it as it is. I don't really feel like styling it, but as you can tell, the color is there. Okay guys, that is my video. If you guys enjoyed this hair dyeing vlog, video, whatever, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe. The big red button is down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.